The following segment is sponsored by Carnival Corp.
Alaska is known for breathtaking glaciers, towering mountains, and majestic wildlife, but it can be a little overwhelming. Eileen is a travel expert, and she's here with tips to help us plan an unforgettable trip to Alaska. Welcome, Eileen. Great to see you.
Oh, thanks so much for having me.
Of course. Okay, there's so many different destinations, of course. Why Alaska?
Well, you touched on it. It's got spectacular scenery, unique opportunities to share new experiences with your family, the chance to learn about Native American culture, gold rush history, marine biology, you name it. And it's great for all ages. I really think a cruise is a great introduction. You won't see all of Alaska, but you'll get to places where they don't have roads. You don't have to pack and unpack. You don't have to worry about where you're going to eat. There's entertainment activities for the kids, and there's plenty to choose from on board and on shore. So for example, if you're on Carnival, you might want to go dog sledding or explore local towns. Princess has this really great Wild for Alaska seafood program where you can eat your fill through your cruise of local seafood. They've got local spirits and brews as well. And if you go fishing, they will cook up your catch. On Cunard, you could take a whales and wildlife cruise. And besides whales, hopefully you'll see bald eagles and a slew of other wildlife. And they have Royal Canadian Geographical Society folks on board to answer all your questions. Now, seaborne, luxurious small ship cruising, they've got experts on everything from marine biology to archaeologists who might lead you on expeditions, hiking, or getting up close to a glacier on a Zodiac. Now, if you're on Holland America, one of the most popular excursions is a Bering sea crab tour where you're actually on the boat from the deadliest catch. Then when you're cruising Glacier Bay, which is beautiful, the kids can earn their junior ranger badges. If that's not enough adventure, you can continue on Holland America or Princess and go to Denali National Park, or on Holland America, you can go all the way to the Yukon. So there really is something for everybody.
Sounds like reasons enough for me. What a magical destination, and a cruise is the best way to see it. Eileen, where can we go for more information and to book this now?
At takingthekids.com.
Amazing. Thank you so much for joining us and for all these tips. Have a wonderful day, Eileen.
You too, and happy travels.